Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're currently driving on Marcus Garvey Drive towards the 3 miles overpass, and two very interesting topics were on the news today that have to do with roads. One is the closure of the Retirement Road intersection at Halfway Tree Road. So the intersection where Halfway Tree Road meets Retirement Road is going to be closed today for the next 3 months. Now, you have to ask, why close such a major intersection? Well, NWA says it's to facilitate drainage work. Now, apparently the road has been flooding, which it has, because that intersection always has potholes, ditches, trenches, and they said it's because of the flooding in the area. So they're closing just the intersection now, not the entire road, just the intersection to sort out the drainage. So they're going to have to dig up the road, dig a culvert, the works. So everybody, it was on the news because it's a major intersection, and everybody's wondering what's going to happen with the traffic now, because Crossroads is a very, very, very busy place. A lot of school children use Crossroads to get the buses. There are a lot of schools in that area, and the children can't leave from school and go all the way to Halfway Tree, so they have to go to Crossroads where they can easily walk, and then from Crossroads they take the bus to go to Halfway Tree or wherever. So with this intersection being closed now, the buses can't use that intersection. There's also a bus park on Retirement Road, so they're going to have to use alternate routes, and that's going to cause a traffic nightmare because Halfway Tree Road is a major road and it was easily accessed from Retirement Road. So we have to ask two questions. One, why now? Why couldn't this project wait until summer, which is only, we're in what now? April practically finished, May and June, July. Why couldn't this project wait till July when schools would be out and a lot less traffic would be in the Crossroads area? Students, that would have been the perfect time to do it. So we have to ask, why now? Why not wait? The road has been like that for so long. But yes, we love the progress. We welcome the progress. But it would have been more, feasible or better for the pedestrians and the students and the persons that use the Crossroads area if the project was done over the summer. And the second thing is, why 3 months? Why must it take so long to just fix the drainage in that small area? Now remember, it's not the entire road, it's just the point at the intersection. So that just seems like a long time. 3 months just to fix the drainage. Mark, we want it done right, but I don't know, that just seems like a long time. What do you guys think? You can leave a comment in the section below. Also, has NWA done any rehabilitation work on the alternate routes? In other words, have they patched any potholes? Have they done anything to help fix the roads that people are now going to have to use because the Retirement Road intersection is closed? There are other roads like Sylvan Road, and I think you can access Studio One Boulevard, I think is the name, leads you down to Slipe Road. But those roads are going to have a lot more traffic now. So have the roads been fixed? And are you going to put police or anybody out on Slipe Road where you would, basically the detour roads that you're now going to take? Have you made plans, especially for peak hour or the time when the students are going to be out of school? Have you made any plans with the police to facilitate the increased flow of traffic at these intersections? Because we know when you're talking about buses and taxis, and when the bus is full and they're trying to get to their destination to come back and get another load, we know that a 2-lane road is going to turn into a 4-lane road. It happens all the time. It's not everybody in Jamaica knows that's going to happen. So when you have these smaller roads and then it turn into 4 lanes and the road just cannot manage and there's a traffic jam and congestion, have you made arrangements with the police to make sure things run smooth? I don't know. I'm hoping, and I'm also hoping that, well, first we should ask, does anybody know who the contractor is? Because this thing was just, I heard about the road being closed yesterday, and yesterday was Thursday, and the road was to be closed Friday. I mean, 24 hours notice. I'm not sure if I missed it or if it was announced before, but I heard about it yesterday. So if anybody heard about this project, the road closure before Thursday, you could just let us know in the comment section, and also who the contractor is, because that will play heavily into, depending on who the contractor is, if the road is going to be finished in 3 months or it's going to be finished in 6 months. So that unfortunately plays a big part. So if anybody knows this information, you can leave it in the comment section below. Okay, we're on the overpass now, the Hagley Park Road overpass, and you can see no traffic. And I don't know if you can see with the camera, but the street lights work. Well, these down here work. We're probably on a photo cell, so I'm assuming that one just came on a while ago. Okay, they all work. I'm very impressed. Very nice. Some of them aren't on, but that's because they're on a photo cell, so as it gets darker they'll come on. This is the overpass, and to build this road was a great inconvenience to the persons that use it. Great inconvenience, especially to the business places on this road. They suffered greatly, but as you can see, it's a very nice road now. That road overpass that we just went on could be probably the most advanced road in Jamaica. It's a double overpass. It's the only one in Jamaica, but as you can see, it's working now. People have gotten accustomed to the concrete barricades, so the sacrifice everybody made, the inconvenience they went through, was worth it. So I'm assuming the same concept is going to apply to Retirement Road. It's just one intersection, so the business persons shouldn't be affected greatly, because their business will stay open. You just have to access it from the other end of Retirement Road. And as long as the police are out to maintain law and order on the roads, and alternate routes have good roads, I mean, just patch it even if it's temporary, so that you don't have persons slowing down because of potholes, then hopefully it will be done in the 3 months. We will keep you updated and make videos about the progress and keep you updated as to what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.